POV, you're dead. Your heart has stopped pumping. This causes your brain, the most needy organ in terms of energy, to be the first organ to go, specifically the hippocampus. The hippocampus is responsible for memory consolidation. When the brain doesn't receive oxygen for 3 to 7 minutes continuously, it results in neuron death. So once the neurons in your hippocampus go, so do your memories. This is why cardiac arrest survivors experience memory loss. It is due to hippocampal injury. The hippocampus collects information on all 5 senses. It links the experiences of those senses together, making a memory. Memory consolidation. What is memory consolidation? It stabilizes newly acquired information and manipulates it to form long-term memories. It occurs on a synaptic and system level on different scales of time. Synaptic consolidation is during the last minutes to hours after encoding within local circuit in synapses. Evidence suggests that synaptic plasticity occurs in the hippocampus and cortical areas, which is an integrated interplay between the two. The synaptic plasticity is a memory-involved engagement. Every hour after the human body dies, it gets 0.8 degrees cooler until the temperature of the body settles within its environment, which is usually the ground. 1 of 5 people whose hearts stop beating will be revived, but death isn't an immediate thing. You'll begin to grow weaker and weaker, and your last sense to go will be your hearing. That is why, when people have trauma-induced hallucinations before death, they often hear themselves being pronounced dead. After death, there is a surge in brain activity. It then climaxes and drops. The cells will begin breaking down. Enzymes cause membranes to start leaking, and after that, the enzymes will try to digest their own membrane, due to the acidity of the cell increasing. This occurs because of the carbon dioxide the cell is outputting without receiving any oxygen. Afterwards, the enzymes can spread to other cells to eat their membrane as well. So even without oxygen, the cells are fighting to survive, and end up eating each other and themselves. Calcium will begin to build up, which will cause rigor mortis. After that, the muscles relax, causing defecation and peeing yourself. The skin will begin to shriek, making the dead body nails look longer. The body will begin to turn green due to cells eating themselves in their organs. But then the body will turn from purple to black because of the bacteria digesting the body. But before that happens, the body stinks up because of the chemicals putrescine and capervine. Stage 1. For the first 24 to 72 hours, the body's external change is very limited. Discoloration due to liquid settling, lividity on the downward-facing side of the corpse. Rigor mortis will last for 32 hours, and after that, it'll cause the tendon and muscles to lock in place. The cell will begin to eat itself, as was previously stated, and the skin begins to sag due to blisters being formed on organs inside of the corpse rupturing. Although the body may look dead, little things still live inside, like microorganisms in the intestines and skin cells. Stage 2. Bloat. The gas will cause the body to swell up. Filled with gas, the eyes will bulge out of its sockets. The tongue swells and extends. This gas can cause coffin birth on dead corpses of the child. This is when gas fills up in the stomach, which can explode the stomach or it can squeeze the baby out. Stage 3. Active decay. This happens 10 to 25 days post-death. This stage is initiated when fluids are exposed through orifices, which are openings in the body. The body tissue will begin to soften. Hair, bones, cartilage, etc. remains. Other byproducts may as well. They'll be sticky. The most body mass is lost in this stage because of bacteria and other insects eating the body, such as blowflies and maggots. They'll break down the body even further. The skin will begin to blacken. Odor from decay will start to strengthen. Stage 4. All that's left of the body is the skeleton, byproducts, cartilage, and other remains of ligaments. Insects that can chomp are the main things that will break this stuff down. Stage 5. All organs have been eating. All that's left is dry remains. Skeleton and maybe a few hairs. Byproducts have dried up. Eventually, mites and moth larvae will eat any few remaining hairs you have left. Bone will begin to lighten due to the elements and become one with the earth once again.